Hello, this is Keith Ellen. Welcome back. And today we're going to have a simple tutorial on progress and donut charts. So basically, something about progress. Let's say you want to meet a savings goal and you have a goal of saving like $10,000 and you want to track the progress of how much you saved to date. So that could be one example of having a progress donut chart. Or in this particular case, let's say it's a project and you want to track the progress of that project, meaning in this case I have it set as completed as 54%. So in either case, you're going to have these two numbers right here will add up to 100%. So if I go ahead and select this, if you look down at the status bar lower right, you look at the sum, and it's equal to 100%. So we're going to build this donut chart from scratch, and you'll see the visual effects on how I designed this. And this is also going to be dynamic. So the completed portion, let's say I want it to be 73 or 74%. As you can see, this updates along with this data point right here updates also. So we're going to build this together. And let's start by, or actually, let's look at this data itself. Again, this completed portion is set to a static number. This remaining here is going to be basically 1 minus your completed portion. So in other words, what you completed, you're going to take 1 or 100% minus what you completed, and this is what's remaining. So that's a simple formula. So let's go ahead and insert a new chart. We're going to select the two data points and go up to the insert ribbon. And over here to the charts group, we're going to select a pie or donut chart. Okay, let's scroll down here. Now let's look at the dimensions of this chart itself. We're going to select the chart, format, and then here's the size of the chart by height and width. So I have my uh, um, automatic as centimeters instead of inches. And let's go over here, 655 and 728. 6.55, 7.28. Okay, now we're going to select the chart. We're going to select no outline for the chart. We're going to go up to format and then no outline, shape outline, no outline. So it doesn't have a border around that. We're going to click on the chart elements. In this case, the chart title, we're just going to hit the delete key. And we're going to select the legend element and select the delete key. And now we're going to start formatting this chart. So let's select it, the chart, and then that, and then press Control 1, and then the donut hole size, which is the size that you see here. So let's go ahead and increase or decreases so you know what's happening there. So that's the donut size. So if I increase it all the way to the right, 90%, and as you can see here. So let's match what this says here. And let's go over here. And we got it 90%, so it's the same. So let's now format these data points part of this series. The series is, we have one series here, which is the percentage, and it's made up of two data points. One represents the remaining percentage of the project, and the other data point represents the completed portion of the project. So let's go ahead and format this data point itself, which is series. It's the series 1.2, which is the completed portion. So what you do is you select the series itself. As you can see, this is the format dialog box, and it says format data series. What we want to do is format individual data points. So in order to do that, we click again on the data point that we want to format, and now this chart changes to format data point. Let's go over to the fill options here. Let's start with the fill color. We're going to select a solid fill. As you can see, that change, and we're going to select the color I have preset. Okay, now let's go down to the border of this data point right here. So we're going to have a solid color also. It's going to be the same color as the fill color. Okay, and now we're going to increase this width of this data point, as you can see here. So we're going to increase it to 15. Okay, and let's go down here, scroll down. You can select round for both the cap type and join type. Now let's format the other data point. So we're going to select that. And then, as you can see, format data point, format the fill. We're going to select a different fill color, solid fill color, the black. And then let's go down to the border. We're also going to have a solid line. We're going to have the same color, black. And then, again, we'll do this, round this off. And the data and the width of the data point, we're going to have it a smaller width as this data point. Okay, so that's how you get this particular visual effect for this. And you can see the rounded corners here. So now let's add this right here. Now the key point to this is we're going to add a text box that's going to be dynamic, that's going to be linked to this data point right over here. So in order for the text box to be always movable with the chart, you want to select the whole chart first, go up to insert, go over here to the right where it says text, and select text box. And now we're going to just draw it out right here. Okay, now we're going to go up to the formula bar, press the equal sign, and select the cell that you want for the data to appear in next text box. Now let's go up here to the home tab. Let's select the font. And then let's increase the font size to, let's say, 36. And it's already bold. And let's select center, so it's centered within the text box. Let's just move the text box a little bit. So now when you select the whole chart, you can see the text box moves with it. So now you can see it's going to be dynamic. Let's set this to 63%. As you can see, the text box, the value in the text box changes along with this data point also changes. So let's go and let's go down to 12%. And as you can see, that changes along with it. So hopefully this gave you an idea how to build progress charts and associate that with a type of donut chart in Excel. Hopefully this gave you some ideas. And again, I want to thank you for stopping by. Please like and comment on this video, and also please subscribe to my channel so whenever I upload a new video, you'll always be updated on this. I want to thank you again for stopping by, and have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.